Welcome to Waterfalls with Bob Dews. Waterfalls are sums of their whole parts, so watch and enjoy. I'm here at the Dixon's Ushwada, or Ushita, where the earth ends and heaven begins. And I'm looking at their heavenly blue poppies. These are Mechanopsis. And to my knowledge, these have not been available for growth in western North Carolina. And Edmund Taylor, who's a horticulturist supreme, grew them from seed, planted them by this enchanting environment that Bob Dews created. And not only are there blue poppies here, there are also incredible showy lady slippers. It's one of the prettiest woodland and most unusual and sophisticated woodland scenes I've been privileged to see outside of some major national treasure. So this is our local treasure. I'll show you a few more beautiful things. The grasses, aren't they exquisite? The beautiful little anemones. Planted in mass with some acerums. I'm going to pan on across to the pretty plantings over at the pond. It's a series of waterfalls. You can see it has several tiers. I'm looking out into these lovely little geraniums planted in mass in a pretty natural setting. Hopefully they're self-seeding now. And they're mixed with sphagnum mosses over here in the waterfall. It's just a supreme and sublime environment. I'll finish by having a back shot of the Mechanopsis. They're tall. The little calendulaceum poppies, primroses. Want a magical environment at home? Join us as Bob Dews shares his secrets at Garden Talk.